In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Samsung Smart TV voice assistance or reading. So I'm not sure if you can hear this, but when we go across, the Samsung TV is going to read out what you're currently on.
Recommended for you, 14 items.
So if this is annoying and you want to turn this off, here's how you do that. So what you need to do is go all the way to the left and you can then scroll down until you get to settings. Once you click on settings, you may see a window which looks like this. It may be a little bit different depending on what version you're on. Either way, you want to go all the way to the right and you want to find all settings. So that is going to be in the bottom right for me. We can click on that. Now, once we're in all settings, we can then go to general and privacy. And once you click on that, you need to then go to accessibility. Inside of accessibility, you will then see voice guide settings. This will be turned on. You can click on this and you can go ahead and just click voice guide, and this button should go from blue to gray. And if it's grayed out, you've then turned it off and it will no longer read out what you're clicked on. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.